Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix Google Maps crashing. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on my screen, I'm on the PC version and this version most likely won't have any crashes itself since it's based on the web browser. If your browser is crashing, then that's a completely different subject where you need to troubleshoot your browser, and all browsers are specific. Well, not all of them, since most of them use Chromium nowadays, which is based off Google Chrome, but you need to differentiate between Chromium-based browsers, Mozilla Firefox, Edge, and so on and so forth. And if you have a standalone version of Maps or Google Earth on your PC, then try reinstalling the app, and that should fix the problem. Other than that, if it is crashing on your mobile device, there are usually two fixes which you can try. One of them is clearing the cache. A corrupted cache might cause any crashes on your device, well, it might cause a wide variety of issues rather, but pretty much just clearing the cache through your system storage settings is enough to fix this. If not, then you can try reinstalling the app itself, and that should fix it if it is a local software issue. If it is not, then it is most likely due to Maps either getting a patch that broke it or anything of the sort, where you'll just need to downgrade or wait for a new update where it fixes it. And other than that, it might be viruses and other issues with your device where you'll need to check specifically and troubleshoot your device to make sure that everything is working fine, and then Google Maps should not crash. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.